So today's video is on a Valentine's Day look, and I'm actually doing a gradient lip with a glossy eyeshadow. I'm so excited for this video. And I'm also wearing a brand new wig because I wanted to start off the year, even though we're, basically a month into the year, second month into the year. But I wanted to, incorporate a new wig, and I bought a blonde one. I hope you guys like it. And let's get started. So first of all, I'm gonna throw in my red headband, and I have a red OMG headband. I'm so excited, and it's perfect for the theme of today's video, which is Valentine's Day. Okay, so seeing myself with a blonde wig is kind of weird because I've never seen myself with blonde hair. So yeah, let's just get started because I'm just gonna keep talking here. So today I'm gonna start with the Pixi Skin Treats Rose Oil Blend, and I'm just gonna apply this as a nice moisturizer because I did wash my face and do all that good stuff. So I'm just gonna apply this all over the face. As we all know, skincare is a very important part of your makeup routine, so make sure you always moisturize your face. And this oil by Pixi is very good. So if you don't know about Pixi, Pixi is such a good skincare brand. Go check them out. I will link them down below so you guys can see all their good stuff, but they have amazing skincare products. I'm gonna go in with the Light On Double Dare Spa Primer. I like to apply that all over the face. For foundation today, I'm going to be using the Milani Conceal and Perfect Foundation, and I did mention this in my previous video, and it's amazing. I swear this is like, I don't think I mentioned this in my video, but I swear this is like a perfect drugstore foundation that's like a dupe to a high-end foundation. This is so good. Before I do that, I started doing this and I love it. So I started applying the setting spray, the matte setting spray, before I apply my foundation. And what that's gonna do is mattify the skin so it's nice and matte. So when you go in with the foundation, your skin is nice and matte. As usual, I'm gonna apply the foundation all over the face. So now I'm gonna blend the foundation out using a Ashley Lee Cosmetics Beauty Sponge. As that melts into the skin, I'm going to go in with the eyebrows, and today I'm using the Ka-Brow by Benefit Cosmetics, and this is in the number 5. I'm just going to fill in the eyebrows like I usually do. I do have a video on how I fill my eyebrows, so you can check that in my previous videos. Okay, so now that the brows are filled, I'm using the Conceal and Perfect Concealer by Milani. So I'm going to apply the concealer under the eye area and on the high points of my face, which I want to bring out and stand out and highlight. And for contour, I'm going to be using the Revolution Conceal and Define concealer, and I'm going to be using the color C14 as a nice contour. With my beauty sponge, I'm going to go in and blend that out. Concealer is well blended. We're gonna go in with the powder, and I'm gonna be using Fenty Beauty's Pro Filter powder, and I'm in the color Butter. So I'm gonna take a little bit and just bake under the eye area and bake the contour. Now that we did the foundation part and all that good stuff, now we're going to go in with the eyes, and the eyes is very simple today. We're only going to be using a few eyeshadows, but the fun part about the eyeshadows is the lip gloss. I'm going to be using the Court palette by Kylie Cosmetics, and it looks like this. It's a very beautiful palette. I love it. So yeah, I kind of like put her away and forgot about her, but I'm excited to use her today. So I'm just going to be using these two shadows right here. I'm going to use Mace And then I'm going to be using Slab Kebab, which is the red one. So I'm going to be applying this one right on the crease. And isn't that such a beautiful transition color? I love this color. So I'm going to then take the Slab Kebab color right here, and I'm going to apply that on the eyelid. So after you apply that on the lid, you're going to go in with a blending brush. I'm taking this small Luxie Minute Tapered brush, and I'm going to take that color again, which is Mace, and blend out the red just a little bit into the crease. So after you have those eyeshadows well blended, I'm actually going to apply the highlighter on my brow bone, remove the excess powder from the face, and I'm actually going to apply the lip gloss at the end after I finish the face, just because the lip gloss can, you know, get sticky and messy, mess up the eyeshadow. See how the eyeshadows, when you use that mace color on the crease, it blended so that it kind of looks pinkish too. So you have kind of like a ombre. You have that mauve color, then you got a little pink, and then you got that red. So it looks really nice once that's well blended. Now we're going to highlight the brow bone, and I'm going to be using my Light Me Up by Mia Adora. And this is such a great highlighter palette. Lightest champagne color. And I'm going to apply that on the brow bone. We're going to remove the powder from underneath the eye and all that good stuff. For bronzer, I'm going to be using this Jane Cosmetics bronzer, and it's the multicolored bronzing powder. I'm going to apply that on the cheeks. For blush, I'm going to be using this Pretty Vulgar Make Them Blush. And it looks like this. It's such a pretty rosy color. So I'm going to apply that on the apples of my cheeks and extend it onto my contour. And kind of blend the contour as well with the blush. For the under eye area, I'm going to be taking the mauve color, and I'm going to be applying that under the eye area. So my camera shut off right when I was applying the black eyeliner, but I just applied that on the waterline. Now I'm going in with my It's Cosmetics Superhero Mascara, and I'm going to apply that on both the top and the bottom lashes. I'm going to highlight the inner corner because, of course, I'm going to be going in with the gloss, and I gotta highlight the inner corner before I do that. So I'm taking the same color, which is this color right here, and I'm going to be applying that on the inner corner of the eye. After I highlight the inner corner, I'm going to go in and highlight the rest of my face, which is the nose, the cheeks, the chin, and the cupid's bow. Okay, so now for one of the best parts of this video, which is the lips. So for today, I'm doing a gradient lip, which is basically a opposite of a ombre lip, because a ombre lip is usually dark on the outside and light on the inside. So today we're going to do dark on the inside and the light on the outside. So this is a Korean trend. The red lipstick that I've been loving at the moment, a Pixi by Petra, a real red lipstick. So what you basically do is take a concealer. So you're going to apply the concealer on the edges of the lips. So then with the beauty sponge, you're going to blend that out. I'm going to take the lipstick and apply a little bit on the back of your hand. That you can take a brush and apply it little by little. If you applied it with the applicator, then you may apply too much. You got to be very gentle with this, you know, apply it little by little. So we're going to take that red lipstick and a small brush, and you're going to apply it to the center of the lips. And you see how I'm only applying it to the very center. I'm leaving the bottom with the concealer. What you're going to start doing is blending so that it looks well blended. What you're going to do is blend out the edges so that it looks lighter. Combine your lips and blend the top. It's kind of hard to explain it while doing it, but basically what you did is apply a little bit of a layer of the red lipstick onto the center of the lip. Then you start blending it so it looks well blended. It doesn't look too dark. Edge of the red, you're gonna blend that out very nicely so that it looks almost pink. Then you're gonna bring your lips together and do the same to the top. Make sure everything is well blended at the edges so that it looks pinkish and not reddish, and that's what gives it the gradient effect. Apply a very sheer lip gloss, and I have this coconut oil lip gloss by Ashley Lee Cosmetics. So you're gonna apply that right on top of the lips and be very gentle. You kind of don't want to move your lips at all once you have it applied. Like, you want to stay still. But yeah, this is how it's supposed to look. It's supposed to look like, you know, you have like a little blush on your lips or something. I don't know, it's just cute. So I have to apply the lashes before I apply the gloss, of course, because then the lashes won't stick. So today's lashes are the Ditamora Cosmetics D1 lashes. So now that the lashes are in, we're going to go in with the fun part, and that'll be it with this tutorial. So I'm going to go in with the lip gloss that I used for the lips, and I'm going to apply that on the eyelids. Okay, so now that the gloss is on the eyes, this is how it looks. It just gives it like a glossier, you know, poppin' look. I just love it. Okay, so I'm gonna take the headband off and I'll be right back. Okay, so this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this fun Valentine's Day video and learned a few new tricks and tips. Also, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for your support, and I'll see you next time.